While I was at SRUC Oatridge, I'd learnt about machinery, propagation skills, glasshouse work, watering, labelling, plant identification and many other things to do with plants. And then transferring that over to work at Jupiter Artland. After about 6 months in, I found my feet and I was ready to go. I was learning lots of new machines, using different equipment, getting very confident, speaking to people, talking to my team, talking to the public, all the skills that I needed to transfer from the college. Things I wasn't so sure I would be doing when I joined Jupiter Artland was the animal care itself. I never thought today I would be in charge of looking after the animals myself. Public speaking and talking as well. We have lots of public around on site who ask lots of questions and want to know the history of the site, so that really boosts your confidence as well. I think it's really important that you follow your passion and your dreams to the most of your ability and really push on even when it's hard, because in the end it's absolutely worth it. It truly is.